Well, everyone, iOS 26.4.2 has officially came out, and we're in a very interesting spot where we're starting to kind of get close to iOS 27's release, but at the same time, we're also pretty much still getting iOS 18 updates right now, which is actually very surprising. Now, the thing I will tell almost every single person out there is if you're on iOS 18, only to the users who are on iOS 18, I would probably recommend still sticking with iOS 18 and jumping up to iOS 18.7.8. That is a equivalent update in the ways that Apple fixed 26.4.2 on iOS 18.7.8, and that is probably where I'd recommend a majority of people to kind of go. Now, if you're already on iOS 26, then I would recommend going up to 26.4.2. But I still don't think iOS 26.4.2 is at the most stable spot that we need to get it on. And I feel like you are much better off going through and installing iOS 18 or even keeping iOS 18 on your device before you officially go up to something like iOS 26.4.2. I've installed it really on only one of my devices, and so far it seems to be good, but 26 in general on all my iPhones doesn't really seem to be that type of update that I would recommend installing, just yet. I think over time it will definitely end up getting better, but right now I think, like I said before, you're better off installing iOS 18 or keeping iOS 18 on your device before going up to 26.4.2. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.